Before you begin, remove the access panel and the front bezel. Removal. Detach the connectors from the hard drive and the optical drive in the drive's cage. Press in on the side latch for the drive's cage. Swing up the left side of the drive's cage, feeding the hard drive connectors down through their access hole on the drive's cage. Lift the right side of the drive's cage off of the unit. Replacement. The drive's cage has a large and small tab on the right side that fit into slots on the PC. The drive's cage also has a tab and a latch on the left side that fit into a slot and over a tab on the left side of the PC. To replace the drive's cage, insert the tabs on the right side of the drive's cage into their slots. Swing the left side of the drive's cage down, pulling the hard drive connectors up through their access hole until the latch on the left side fits over its tab. Replace the connectors to the hard drive and optical drive.